it's funny when you got my money, but it won't be funny when I start to run. Feed up your ass, honey. You know, payback's a bitch.
Damn, that's a big ass truck.
You still stutter after certain questions. You keep in contact with certain exes. Do you though? Trust me, nigga, it's cool though. Said that you was working, but you out here chasing culo and putas, chilling poolside, living two lives. I could've did what
You buy one of those. Damn, somebody see this hit. Exterior or car? I don't see no. What's this behind me? Oh, that Mustang. Damn, that Mustang is hitting. Anyway, Polaris. I don't know if I would buy one of those. It looks like a fun little thing to drive though. This damn Mustang back here is hitting. My whole car. Shit, my car sounds like it's turned off after that damn Mustang. Yeah, that Polaris is nice. Good, it's a good play toy. Oh, that thing is real nice. Sketchy. He working hard on that F-150. Might have to up my $5 tip to 20. See how good it looks. Poor man can't be giving no big tips. You got that F-150. Y'all see that? Make sure you hit that JDKB and JDKB Games link. Yeah. Wonder why you got my flashes on though. Fuck around with my battery down. Alright, here we go. We're gonna give a $5 tip or $20 tip. I don't know, anytime you watch a big ass truck like this, $5 tip just don't seem right. Plus he killed me. Oh, my truck needs to be painted. Oh yeah, carpet ain't never look that good. Truck still stinks though. Let's see. What's up, man? Yeah, man, you hooked it up. Appreciate it. Yeah, that's the hookup right there.